Hello everyone and welcome to the Photographer's Bulletin. My name is Captain Ojas and I'll be taking you through all the happenings in the world of photography this week. So let's jump in.
Nikon has announced its first Z series macro lenses. These are the first official macro lenses from Nikon for the Z series. The two lenses are the Nikkor 105mm f2.8 and the Nikkor 50mm f2.8. Both new lenses offer a 1:1 reproduction ratio. Nikon has yet another announcement up its sleeves by planning to launch two new pancake prime lenses for the Z mount. The two new full-frame Z mount lenses would be 28mm and 40mm lenses with a slim compact build and are due to launch before the end of this year. Panasonic has announced the launch of the new LUMIX S 50mm f1.8 full-frame L-mount prime lenses. The LUMIX S 50mm f1.8 is designed to be both light and affordable, unlike many of the full-frame L-mount mirrorless lenses currently available. In the world of light meters, Sekonic is celebrating its 70th anniversary, and it is marking the occasion by releasing a commemorative limited edition light meter. And TTartisan has launched yet another budget fast prime lens for crop sensors. This will be a 17mm f1.4 lens which will cost a little over $100 and will be available for APS-C and micro four thirds mounts.
So these were all the happenings in the world of photography this week. Stay tuned for more updates next week, same time, same day. Until then, stay safe and click with me.